good morning, Blizzard family. About 2 minutes and 45 seconds out from the game starting. Blizzard coming off of a 1-point loss to the Cyclone last week. Going up against the Swarm today and the Clovers tomorrow. Right now, the Blizzards, the Blizzards, the Pirates, and the Swarm, I believe, are all tied in the rankings currently for first place outside of penalty minutes. So I'll take a look at the stats later today and see how everyone's faring going into our playoffs. Only, I believe, Malia is going to be the only one not on the ice with us today. And Francisco Hernandez, also not going to be on the ice today. Good stuff from Hayes there. Oh, Emmett can't hear either. I guess Emmett Smith is also going to be out for today's game, guys. But I think we'll do just fine. We got Hayes back this week. And yep. Yeah, Crosby was out last week. Got Crosby back.
They're full.
Yep.
How's their whole team?
Yeah, they go down too. You 15 little boys?
I did not count goals. 15 non-goalie players. 11 non-goalie players? 12?
I said don't check. Hayes' number. Alrighty. Alright, boys, we're ready. We got Lippincott on first strike here. Looks like Conrad and Gray on wings. And Blizzards break it out. It's going to be going to left side there and back across. Swarm get a hold of it. Rambo is going to be a speed player for the Swarm today. Going to be a problem. As long as we can keep them on their feet, we should be good. Gray gets the puck as comes around backside. Swarm get it back from him though. And a little bit of a tumble there as Gray goes down. But the Swarm break it out with number 37 Murphy, one of the other good Swarm players there. Gray's got it in the front here, taking it across blue line into neutral territory. And Hayes gets it free from the Swarm form. And Swarm bring it back. Swarm go down a little bit, and the Blizzard are able to slow them down, but Murphy sends it across, and Hayes takes it down center ice, cross neutral zone, flanked by two of the Swarm. Going in for the shot, and he's wide on the backside there. Swarm trying to break it off from the back. And it looks like Hayes is able to get it across to Gray. But it's not in Swarm's territory. Gray still fighting to get that puck down the ice. And And Swarm bring it down on the right side. Beal trying to wrest it from Murphy there. Hayford puts him against the boards. Breaks down to Swarm. Swarm takes a shot, and it's deflected by Turner. And Gray gets a little high stick there. Ooh, Swarm bring it back out, and Murphy going for the shot, and can't quite get clear. Gray gets a hold of it, passes up to Lippincott. Lippicott's going to bring it down center ice, off to the right side. Back around to the center. Into the slot, takes the shot, and it's wide of net. Looks like their goalie stopped it. Ooh. Alrighty. Putting Corte center here. And puck down. Break it off. Swarm get it and send it off along the boards. Left side here, coming down. And Hayford sends it back up around the back of the boards. And Swarm sent it hard. Hayford said to meet him. And just keeps it from going over. Ooh, back across the blue line. And O'Donnell tries to get it, but unfortunately the Swarm pushed it forward. Swarm have it and send it back. Then with the puck, sends it down. Swarm get it though, and Hayford blocked it. Oh, Swarm get it. Hayford chasing after it. Back off the board. Oh, Swarm sweep in. They get it. Ooh, I think that's may have missed it being an offsides call possibly there.
Good job, Finn!
Puck drops. Corte breaks it forward. Swarm send it back. Hayford's able to keep it on neutral territory against the wall. And Corte takes it down alongside the Swarm. Swarm tries to send it back and gets caught up on Oslam. Ooh. Jenkins trying to break it forward and can't quite do it. As the Swarm bring it back into the Blizzard territory right into Hayford's skates. And Corte's going to bring it around on the back of the net here and around. Just fighting for the puck there in the back. And Corte gets a hold of it. Flanked by O'Donnell and Oslam. Across the blue line. Cross center. Oh, Swarm are able to slow him down. Oh no, they sent it all the way back. But Jenkins chasing after it. Able to shoot back across the boards. Over to Oslam. Unfortunately, Cloud Jr. for the Swarm gets on it. Fights for it with O'Donnell, but breaks it free. Oslam gets it. Taking it down center. Ooh. Cloud Jr. trying to stop him, but can't quite do it. Corte taking it down. Ooh. Thrown around a little bit there. Awesome trying to fight to get back on the ice. And Corte gets on the puck. Very good. Jenkins takes a hard hit, flex it off of the Swarm, and Swarm take it back around off the center ice. Cloud Jr., number 12 for the Swarm, going in for the shot. And Hayford's able to do a quick little poke check, get it out from underneath him. And now they're moving. Hayford going fast. Bring it down left-hand side. Left circle sends a shot, and it's right into the goalie's net, but they don't hold it.
Good shot!
Grayson Hayford trying to get a hold of it. Swarm bring it back across, and Hayford's able to stop it. That's unfortunately an offsides call. But awesome, they're still stuck over by the goal. But that was good deflection by him. Quick swap out. Looks like we're putting Lippincott back on front with Knight and Pomaro on the wing. And Blizzard sent it back to Hayes. Hayes going to bring it down center. Ooh, just loses control in the right circle. Shoots it across. Ooh, deflected by the Swarm. Bring it down the left wall here to Beal. Beal tries to break free. It is back across blue line. As Hayes gets on it again. Number 21. Brings it down. Stands up on the Swarm a little bit. Tries to keep control. Swarm steal it from him. Swarm bring it down right hand side. McClellan just going to the goal, and it's a top shelf goal by number 20. Number 20 McClellan. right, 9:15 left in the clock. Puck's down. Swarm, break it off with Murphy getting hold of it, but just fighting for it. And Rambo able to get it through to Murphy off the pass from Beal. Murphy takes it hard and wide of the goal. Could be Beal trying to send it up the board. Two Swarm fighting for it with him here. They break it free. Ooh, right off of Cortez. Left side there. And that's Murphy breaking around, trying to get around with a Michigan goal there. Does not quite get it. And there you go, breaks it out. Murphy takes a wide shot. The screen is going to be blocking everybody here. And Cortez is able to break it off on the right-hand side. Ooh, pushed against the board for the Swarm. And everyone's just falling over here. Hayes breaks it out. He's going to bring it down center. Breaks it through, and he's going to go hard right circle. Ooh, wide shot. Just high.
That was a big save.
And the puck is loose. No, Beal gets a hold of it. Beal sends it over to Corte. Corte gets the boards here, sends it up to Gray. Number 2, Mason Gray going in. He's right circle. Taking it. Oh! Knocked over by the Swarm there. Swarm get it. Could be number 37, Murphy, bringing it down the right boards. Almost uncontested by anybody. Hayes gets in there. Murphy's going for the shot. Gets it wide. Just deflected by the goalie. The boys keep bringing it. Collision right on the blue line. Hey, Corte still trying to push it forward. Gray breaks it to Corte. No, Oslam. Oslam takes a shot. Does not quite make it to the net. And Gray trying to break it free. Can't quite get it free of it as the Swarm send it forward. And getting on the puck here. Hayford bouncing it off the boards. Oh, the Swarm sealed back. Murphy tried to send it across, but it was blocked by Hayes. And Hayes able to drop it over to... Oh no, Hayes actually has it. Gets it from Corte. Hayes takes the shot, and it bounces right off of the goalie and into the goal. That is a fair goal by Hayes, number 21. May have had the assist from Corte on that one. Swap the boys out. Put Lippincott back on center. All right, Lippincott breaks it back to Jenkins. Jenkins tries to send it over to Oslam, but the Swarm get on it, and they're going to bounce it off the boards there. Jenkins tries to fight for it. Now free, only Hayford blocking the Swarm's forward movement, and O'Donnell trying to get in position there. Ooh, shot on goal, but Lippincott's able to deflect it, take control, and he's going to send it down the right boards. The 7, Oslam. Oslam sends it forward across this line. Boys are going to have to skate hard to get after it. And the Swarm sent it back just a little bit. Oslam gets it. Lippincott gets on there with the Swarm. They're right against the boards, but it's going to go to Jenkins. Jenkins going to center it over to, a little wide, right into the Swarms. The Swarm sent it forward. It's going to be number 12, Cloud Jr. taking it forward. Ooh, but it bounced out of him by Jenkins. Good defense work there. Blowing them down. Swarm sent to Hayford. Right circle, he's going to come forward. And he's in between two of the Swarm. Over the center, he's going to keep them moving. Send it forward. And round the goal. Lippincott's going to get a hold of it. Lippincott taking it. Center is over. Oh, no, just where O'Donnell should have been. And Hayford gets it. Bounces off player. Hey, Finn just misses it. O'Donnell loses the puck. And it's going to be Turner, number 4 for the Swarm, taking it forward. He's right circle, takes a shot right into our Turner. Goal. Mitt. Alex is on it.
It's got them butterfly hands. Pucks it right out of the air.
All right, start off right circle here. 4 minutes. 32 seconds left in the time. Puck drops. Swarm break it free. But the number 71 Corte is trying to get to it. Corte and Knight fighting for it here. little back check from the Swarm as the Swarm tried to break it free. Could not get it off that boards. And Pomaro, number 3, taking it around behind the back. Back shot over to Hayes. Hayes bring it down the boards here. Right through the Swarm, just breaks it through. Going on by himself. He's going to take the shot. Oh, right into the goalie. Excellent attempt by Hayes there. Yeah.
Good work, Brody!
Corday still center. And it breaks back to Beal. Number 5, Beal sends it over to Hayes. Hayes takes a wide shot. It's a little wide to the left of the net. Number 77, Knight, trying to get on it there, gets it, and brings it back around. So up the board, it's going to be a... Oh, sorry, that was Corte, not Knight. And Corte has it. Corte sends it across. Ooh, just Swarm get it right before Knight can get a hold of it. And Pomaro is able to send it back. Swarm send it around. And Pomaro doing what he can to get a hold of it. Hayes gets it. Hayes takes the wide shot. Bounces off of a player and off of the goalie. But no whistle, so the player is still going. Hayes gets a hold of it. He's going in hard. Gets it over to 71. Left circle 71. Sends it over. Ooh, too far. It's going to go back to Hayes. All the way across. And not an icing call, since it was actually the Blizzards that sent it all the way down there. Ooh! Swarm just break it out from underneath Hayes. Beal gets it over to Hayes. Bring it back around the net. They need to get it out of the defensive zone. Up to Knight. Ooh! Swarm come in and just take it out from Knight. And Beal sends it forward. And Corte gets on the puck. Brings it to center. Flanked by 2 of the Blizzard, and ooh, too many Swarm in the way to get it sent across. Swarm just fighting for it, but gets it over to Rambeau. Rambeau taking it down the left side. Down in the center. Takes a shot. Oh, just tips it in. Unfortunately, off of Turner. That's going to be Rambeau. Number 13. Currently 2-1, 1:19 left on the clock for the first period.
1 minute, let's go.
Put Lippincott out in the center now. Ooh, and Swarm just completely take it out from underneath him. Bringing it around, that's going to be Murphy, number 37, skating hard and fast. Takes a shot, but it's wide. Murphy takes another shot. Deflected off. Swarm are being aggressive, but Alex is able to stop the play. 50 seconds left. As Swarm keep up the pressure, the boys are going to have to break it all the way down. They may have a chance to tie this up in the last 42 seconds. And a little slow off the gate there, but they're able to send it forward. Slow down the pressure. Rambo takes a shot. It's wide and hits into Murphy. The boys fight for it. Hayford breaks it free. Hayford getting it. They're trying to take it down. Ooh, but number 7, Stutz, is able to get it off the wall. Jared Jenkins, number 15, gets a hold of it. He's going to send it up there. Ooh, it's down just a little bit. Another shot on the goal, but it gets to Hayford. Hayford's going to try and send it forward. As long as they keep that pressure up, the boys are going to be struggling here. And Hayford's able to break it down. He's against the wall there. And Conrad's able to send it up a little bit, but it's not quite enough. But Jenkins is across the blue line. It's going to at least stop the pressure. 3 seconds remaining on the clock. And there we go. Into the period. 2-1 currently. Swarm leading by 1. Swarm are always a hard-hitting team, and they're definitely keeping the pressure up when they've got it down on Turner there. Our boys in blue are going to have to keep the pressure up on them and also try to keep the puck off the defensive zone. Played a little bit too much on the defensive side there, I think. boys are ready to go. Let's see who we bring out for the first shift of the period. Looks like Corte, Hayes, Oslam, O'Donnell, and Beal. Finnick, other side. All right. Players are ready. Goalies are ready. And the puck is down. Here two starts, and the Swarm are trying to set it up. Can't quite break it free, but they get it up the wall and, send it across into the Blizzard territory. Beal sends it back across the blue line. Swarms are going to have to move fast to get it across. Yeah, that's going to be an offside call. There it is. This is number 2, Markovich, was not quite able to get across the line in time for it was sent across. Boys reset. And Swarm break free, but it's Corte taking it across the center, right across the line. And going straight down on the right. Right circle, sends it across to me. Swarm blocking it. O'Donnell gets hold of it. But it is sent back. Beal gets it. Sends it hard. Right to O'Donnell and almost to the goal. Could have been a shot for Beal there. As Swarm chase after it. Blizzard's able to keep it from going in. O'Donnell accidentally sends it across the blue line. Gets centered again. And O'Donnell gets it. Good. Split back by the Swarm. Hayes sends it high over everybody to the far corner. Corte gets on it. Left circle. Trying to bring it in the center. Right to the slot. Takes a shot. And right to the goalie's mitt. All right. 14-16 left on the period. Swarm's got to resituate here. There we go. And Corte on front. Corte sends it. Gets caught up on the skates. But O'Donnell gets it. O'Donnell takes it forward. Can't quite get a shot off, but Oslam gets it. Sends it off to the center. Hayes gets it just outside the right circle. Sends a high shot. Almost bounces it in. As 46 sends it back to Beal. Beal over to 7. Oslam over to 46. 46 didn't quite get it. Hayes gets it, sends it forward. O'Donnell's able to deflect it. Almost into the goal. Doesn't quite get it. Number 71 Corte fighting for it, but Hayes is able to stop the forward movement of the puck. O'Donnell's ready. Got to chase after a little bit, brother. Hayes gets it off the back wall. Right into the face mask of number 17. 7 Oslam sends it over to 71 Corte. Corte centered in the slot. Tries it. Can't get through the screen of the Swarm there. And the boys are chasing it right back in the center surface with the Swarm. 71 Corte tries to break free. Can't quite do it. Beal, little poke check, but that's going to be an offsides call. All right, boys are resetting. A6 Lippincott in the center now. Lippincott breaks it over, but the Swarm kind of sent it forward. Hayford sends it back right across the blue line. Swarm need to get back in the ice. And behind the ref there, Hayford's able to keep it going. Breaks it over to Lippincott. Lippincott over to Jenkins. Tomorrow, they bounce it off the boards there. Can't quite get a good angle here from this height today. All right, Amaro bringing it back around the left side. A little bit of a collision there, but Hayford trying to send it forward. It's going to be an offsides call against the Blizzard. 12 minutes left in the period. 2-1 still. Pretty set here. And the Blues are breaking to Pomaro. Pomaro gets it to Hayford. Hayford's going to set it up. And over the line, the Lippincott can get it. Lippincott gets it. AJ Lippincott bringing it left circle. Just misses the net. Could have been a clear shot from there. And Swarm are able to bounce it back to Pomaro. Pomaro keeps it going against the wall here. As Knight and Pomaro chase after it, but bounces back. Jenkins trying to get on it. And Swarm, Murphy's number 37 breaking forward. Hayford needing to get in place to stop it, but ooh, no good as Turner, number 90 Alex, gets another save.
Good job, Alex!
And Blizzard break it free, but it's over to the Swarm. Swarm take it right circle, and Hayford going to send it across the boards up to Lippincott. Lippincott gets it over to, moves it forward, and Lippincot's able to keep it. Swarm able to get a little poke check there, get it out from underneath Lippincott, and it looks like that's going to be Murphy coming up on across the ice, around the ice. He's everywhere he needs to be. And two of the Blizzard players ran into each other against the bench there. But Hayes, trying to keep control of it, sends it forward. He's up the ice. And it's going to be 86. Lippincott's free and clear. Takes it right circle center. Oh! Murphy just comes in hard to stop the puck out from underneath them. Pomaro sends it around the boards there. Oh, almost a shot there. But the Swarm sent it all the way across the ice. And icing. I kind of missed what happened there at the goal. Oh, yeah. 9 minutes, 42 seconds left. Starting off, Swarm's right circle. They break free. It's back to Hayes. Hayes down the center. He's taking a shot and just manages to bounce it. Knocks the stick out of somebody's hand. Who doesn't have their stick right now? Oh, the goalie doesn't have their stick at the moment. But the Blizzard take it. They're going to have to wait for everyone to sign back up. And, oh, unfortunately, one player's offsides. All right. Again, 8 minutes. 50 seconds left. 2-1 still. Swarm leading. Corte on center takes it. He's going to break it over to Conrad. And Gray, number 2, is going to get it out, but Swarm get a hold of it. And across the blue line, all the way down. It might just be icing. Oh, I guess they're not going to call icing on that one. Hayes on it. He's going to take it forward. Get right back out of the defensive line there. Gray waiting for him. Hayes is across right down center in the slot. He's taking the shot right side, and it's a goal. 2 for Hayes at 8:15. That's going to tie it up with the second period. 8:10 remaining. Boys resetting here. Let's go, Blizzard. Ooh, Finn's playing left wing this time. Awesome on right. Lippincott in the center here. And Swarm break free. Murphy has it in the center. And woo, just gets it around Jenkins. Hayford gets set up and deflects it out of the ring. Gonna get a new puck. And new puck is achieved. Good work by Hayford there, being where he needs to be. Excellent defenseman work. .7:16 left. They set up. And Lippincott breaks it free. He's trying to get it out of there, but ooh, it is stuck underneath some skates. And a little fight for it in the corner. Looks like Jenkins trying to break it free. And does so, sends it further down around the boards. Hard hit into the boards there, but he's getting back up. Hayford taking it on the left side. All the way down. Around the Swarm. Oh, Murphy breaks it out of him.
Get it, man!
O'Donnell trying to get out from underneath Murphy there, and deflection by Turner. Jenkins doing what he can to keep that puck going forward. Finnick chasing after it here, and almost gets it. Murphy's off his game a little bit there, and Jenkins sends it back against. And Jenkins sends it forward. Across the blue line. Swarm are going to have to reset her up here. A little bit slower at the moment. Hayford gets it off the Swarm. Hayford's going to send it forward and gets across the blue line. Now that they're on the offense here, they're going to have to try a little bit harder. Keep that aggression going. 6 minutes, 3 seconds remaining on the clock. And Murphy coming down center with it. What's he doing? Blizzard bring it back out of their side. And high shot there as Jenkins gets it. Jenkins sends it forward. Lippincott gets it. And Hayford able to keep the Blizzard. Swarm get it back across. Just off of Hayford. Skate fast, Finnick. And Swarm takes a shot. Deflected. Very few defense out there right now, but Oslam able to send it back across the blue line. And it's going to be Lippincott chasing after it. He's got no one between him and the goal. He's going to take the shot. 13 just comes in hard with the skates there. Number 13 for the Swarm came out of nowhere to stop that puck. It's Rambo. Rambo stops the puck. I'm going to get a set back up here, I think, on this side.
That was amazing.
That's kind of skating we're wanting to see from all the boys out here. I think they may have came from all the way on the other side of the rink, actually. 4:40 left as the puck breaks down. Hayes gets it on the backside, sends it up a little bit. Zoom out just touch there. Corte trying to get after it. Can't quite get on it, but it's back in his hands. Corte swarmed by Swarm. Trying to just get free of the boards there. That Swarm screen gets it across and into the hands of Rambo. Rambo can't get across the blue line yet. As the fight for the puck sends it all the way across the boards. Hayes gets on it. He's going to send it. Not send it. He's going to actually just move it around a little bit. Little heel-toe action on the blade. And they're going to bring it down hard. Hayes, right-hand side circle, takes the shot. Deflected. Corte gets on it. Corte, left circle. Trying to just set up back behind the net. Rambo bringing it around down the boards. Palmaro keeps it back in the area, but Palmaro lands on it. And, back across the blue line. Hayes, right there where it needs to be, gets it to Corte. Corte to Beal to Palmaro. Palmaro trying to get it forward still. Corte gets a hold of it. Corte sending it across the blue. But it's back across. A little bit of fighting for the puck there. I think that's an offside call. Three minutes, 6 seconds left. And puck's down, they're able to get it across. And Lippincott keeps it going. A little back work there. Boys got to get back on sides before Jake can send it forward. Conrad's able to send it. And that's going to be an offsides call. Good work, Jarrett. Two minutes, 20 seconds left. Puck's down. Lippincott sends it to Conrad. Conrad tries to get across. Conrad sends it across. And it's going to be the Swarm's number 6, Wassam. Sends it up off the boards. Right into the ref. And the boys are able to take advantage of that. Swarm take the shot. It's wide on the far side. Hard to see what's going on here, but it looks like the Swarm are getting it out from underneath Jenkins. Jenkins sends it to Palmaro. Palmaro to Gray. It's loose and across the line. Lippincott Gray going after it right behind Lippy. And it's free in front of the goalie. And the players trying so hard to stop it. Jenkins able to keep it. Go across, but McCafferty gets on it. Jenkins sends it forward. Gray keeps it going. Can't quite. Oh, it's all the way across the boards there. Round behind the net. Lippincott trying to stop its moving here. Oh, Conrad just misses it with that poke check there. But it's back across to Gray. Gray and Conrad bump into each other. Oh, it's free to Gray. Gray's got it. Gray goes in for the shot. Takes it. Oh, just wide off the goalie there. And they're still breaking it up over there on the far side. And it looks like Swarm break it through. It's going to be McCafferty bring it down center. Jenkins tries to stop him. Can't quite do it. Hayford's next. Hayford's able to at least stop the puck. And deflected by Turner. Another shot. Turner deflects. Hayford gets on it. He's going to send it down across the boards here along the boards. And Turner stops the play. 32 seconds left in the clock for second period. Still tied up 2-2. Intense game. 20 seconds left. Clock still running as we get ready. Waiting on the boys to get in position. Skate hard, Finnick! 10 seconds remaining. Puck's down. Breaks it back. 31 sends it up. And Hayford sends it back from the Swarm. Jenkins bringing it around behind net. And that's time for the second period. We get ready for the third period. Outcome of this game can decide the outcome of who goes up against who going into the playoffs in 2 weeks. We will have whoever the top two teams are will have a bye in the first week of the playoffs. Alex dropping his water bottle there. There he goes. Third period is always where the Blizzard get the most energy going. Let's go Blizzard! All right, boys are getting set up. Leading with Corte 71, O'Donnell 46, and I believe that's Oslam number 7, right wing position. And Corte breaks it back to across the blue line. And Swarm get a hold of it. That's going to be number 37, Murphy, just blazing down the right side. And gets it over to Beal. Beal brings it around behind the net. Goes forward with it. And 71 Corte gets on the right side, sends it to Oslam, but just wide, and Murphy's able to get back on it. Murphy is all over the ice here. Tries to get a Turner, but Beal gets a hold of it. Beal gets it to Hayes. And Turner, Alex tries to stop it, but Murphy is able to keep it out from underneath him. O'Donnell gets on the puck, sends it forward to 71 Corte. Oh, sorry, 71 Corte. And gets back to Hayes. Hayes bringing it around behind the net. Hayes bringing it down center. Stay hard, Finnick! Ooh, and back into Murphy's clutches there. Ooh, collision as they go for it. And I think they're going to call that as a tripping on... Ooh, are they calling it on Hayes? Looks like it's going to be a tripping call on Hayes, number 21. Going to put the Swarm to a power play position here for the next 2 minutes. 14:37 remaining on the clock. No, it's not. Okay, Corte on center, takes it, sends it back. Samford for the Swarm sends it forward. Hayford stops it. Hayford's able to keep it, sends it up the boards to Corte. It's across the blue line, and the Swarm sends it to the offsides and finished right where he needed to be. Don't worry, there's offsides on the Swarm, not us.
Okay. Good job, Finn!
14:05 left on the clock. 1:34 on the period on the penalty. Corte breaks it. O'Donnell sends it. Didn't quite break it free, but Corte's able to get on it. Sends it forward across the blue line. So we're gonna have to get back on sides before sending it forward. And Corte swings in and is taking it down center. No. Oh, it's free. Awesome takes it.
Shoot it!
Oh, can't quite get it in. A little bit of aggressive tackle there from the goalie. Good shot, but didn't quite do what they wanted. Rambo sends it to Hayford. Hayford sends it back in for O'Donnell, gets on it and can't quite stop it. But it's now free across to the back of the net. Corte gets on it. Corte sends it hard around the side. Bounces off the Swarm. O'Donnell sends it forward. Sorry, Osm sends it forward. Swarm try to get set up. And Hayford's there to stop it. But not quite enough as I believe that's number 4. Turner takes a shot. Deflected and stopped by Turner. 13 minutes remaining. 30 seconds left on that penalty for Hayes. Still 2-2. 15 seconds remaining on that penalty for Hayes. Hayes getting ready to come out. And the penalty's over. Hayes getting back on the ice. Morrow gets a hold of it. He's going to take it on hard. The Swarm are able to stop it, but Morrow gets back on it, sends it forward, right to the Swarm. Corte and Hayes trying to get on it. And the Swarm are getting it across. Cloud Jr. taking it over his left circle, and 77 Knight breaks it free. Lippincott tries to get on it. 77 sends it forward, and they got to go after it hard. Lippincott gets underneath it, but looks like Rambo is in his way. Rambo brings around the net. Lippincott said to meet him, but it gets all the way back to Beal. Beal takes it, sends it over to Hayes. Oh, just loses control of it, and Swarm are able to get on. Cloud Jr. takes it, and Hayes sends it hard across the boards. Swarm are on it. Ooh, good collision there. And as it breaks off to the side, looks like Hayes gets it. Broken free. Lippincott's free and clear. No one between him and the goal. Lippincott needs to get in there. And, oh, the goalie stops it. (11 minutes, 8 seconds left as the puck comes across back in the Blizzard territory. That's Rambo, number 13, with it. Hayes sending it off of their control. Cloud Jr. gets back on it. Oh, but just misses it. 86. Lippincott grabs it. Taking it across on the right side. Right along the bench there. Breaks it down just a little bit. It's back behind the Swarm goal. 10 minutes, 49 seconds left. And the Swarm sent it forward. Just get it across the blue line to Beal. Beal gets it to Pomaro. Pomaro is going to take it right side. That's going to be an offsides call. Knight still in the Swarm zone. Cannot get control. Where's my camera here? There we go. 10 minutes, 22 seconds left. 2-2 still. Second one, Corte taking the center with Gray on his left and Conrad on his right. Breaks it free. Corte's able to get it. Ooh, back over the blue line, unfortunately. And they're free and clear. Gray takes it over. Ooh, but Corte lost his stick there for a second. And the boys collide for a hot second, 38, and Corte finally getting a hold of it. Corte's left circle, going to bring it down and around. Oh, across to Conrad. Conrad tries to take the shot, can't quite get it. Gray sets up, but not before Corte can get on it. Let's get control. Tries to take the high shot and just misses it. Just short to the Swarm. Swarm sent it around behind the net. 38 Conrad trying to be in place for it. Can't quite get it. Hayford stops it. Hayford sends it back forward behind the net. Gray bring it over. Sends it to Conrad. Ooh! Corte goes down, unfortunately, right in front of him. Conrad tries to get control of it. Can't quite get it. Gray's fighting for the puck here. Sends it across behind the net. 9 minutes, 12 seconds remaining. Swarm shoot up the boards. Hayford's able to stop it. Sends it back. Swarm sent it to Hayford. Hayford gets it forward to Conrad. Conrad stops it. Ooh, Gray just misses the chance to get that shot off. Corte tries to stop it, but that's going to be McCafferty, number 66. taking it forward and just dropping it right in center there, right in the center slot. Tries to hit the, and ooh, it looks like it's gonna be a tripping call. Yep, tripping call on number 6, Wassam, for the Swarm. That'll put us in a power play situation for ourselves. Number 6. Oh, they're going to set up all the way down here on that one. 8 minutes, 15 seconds remain. Corte on center. Puck down. Corte breaks it back and free to Hayes. Hayes is going to swing up, set up, take the shot right between Stutz's legs. As Corte tries to get a hold of it, gets over to Connor. Ooh, just wide pass. It's going to be the Beal. Beal's going to chase it down. But Hayes is there to help him out. Hayes bounces off the board and gets into Murphy's hands. And they're able to send it forward. Oh, just wide of, right between Gray's legs. And icing call.
Nice pass.
Minute 6 remaining on the penalty. 7:13 left on the clock. Corte tries to break it free. It gets to Hayes. Hayes is going to bring it down center here. Over to Corte. Corte, good. Brings it down, sends it over, and right into the goalie's glove. Boys are trying hard to get that goal in, break away from this tie here. The Swarm are meeting them at every move. Set with Lippincott in center there. O'Donnell on the left wing. And Lippincott sends it to Hayford. Hayford keeps the Swarm from keeping control. O'Donnell gets on it. Hayford takes it. And Hayford takes the wide shot there, slow, to Lippincott. Lippincott's going to come back around. And can't quite feel. Ooh! Looks like Murphy tries to break it free, then loses just a bit of control of the puck there. Period. Back into the good here. Oh, English just failed me just now. Oh, good attempt at a pass shot that fails for the Storm. And Hayford's going to bring it up the ice. Keep it going. Hayford gets it across the blue line. Rough couple minutes here. 37. Murphy bringing it right behind the net. Sends it off the boards. 87. Lippy gets it. Sends it to somebody, but Oslam's going to stop it, but not enough before Murphy gets a hold of it. Murphy bringing it down right circle. Takes a shot. And Turner catches it out of the air. Five minutes, 12 seconds remaining. Still 2-2 tie.
It's like poetry.
All right, puck's on the ground. And 71 breaks it free to 21. 21, Hayes is going to run with it. Down across the right board, Palmer right behind him as needed. And over to Corte. Corte takes the shot, and it's a goal by Corte, number 71. That's what I like to see. Breaking the tie with 4 minutes, 40 seconds left. Sorry about losing control of the camera there. I got a little excited myself.
It was beautiful.
Good job, Crosby. And who assisted on that one? From Hayes. 21 with the assist there. Excellent work. Great pass. Corte breaks it. Corte going for another goal. Looks like he takes it down center. No one there to stop him except for one Swarm. Passes it to Palmaro. Palmaro, takes a shot. Doesn't quite make it. Sends it cross wide. Knight tries to get on there. Can't quite get it free. The 21 sends the shot. Bounces off a few players right behind the net. Into the trap. Off the board. Beal takes it. Beal's going to send it. Try to send it. Swarm have sent it all the way across. It's going to be Hayes getting hold of it. Running around behind the net. He's clear for now. And a little bit of a swing there. I would have called that tripping call myself, but nothing there. Oh, the linesman is going to hold on the call there. And Hayes bring it down center. Another penta trip. Oh! The goalie dropped the puck. Whew. Blizzard could have taken that chance to get it, and it looks like they are going to call that tripping call on number 2. Or no, 33 it looks like. No, 13. Who are they calling that on? They are calling a penalty. I'm not sure who they're calling it on. Oh, it looks like they called timeout. They definitely called a timeout, but I think they called a 3 minutes, 11 seconds left. I'm pretty sure the refs were calling a tripping call on one of the Swarm players there. So they did delay that call for a good while before doing anything. Whoa, Swarm already. Looks like they are putting Rambo, number 13, in for the penalty.
Number 13?
Yes. Number 13 taking the penalty for the Swarm for that tripping call earlier. Puck's down. Power play goes. And the Blizzard get it off to Jenkins. Jenkins. Ooh! That looks like Murphy's going to take it. Hayford's the only one in between him and the goal. And Murphy deeks to the left, right in there. And Hayford's there to retrieve it for Turner, trying to get the shot now. Ooh, 2 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. 3-2 still, with the Blizzard leading. And Swarm break it free over to McClellan, but it's a little bit strong and wide, and the Blizzard are going to have to take advantage of that to stop their forward movement. Ooh, the break it free. Turner takes it into the center. Hayford's in between him and the goal. Ooh, that's going to be a tripping call on Hayford, I think. Yep. 2:24 tripping on Hayford. I believe that's 78. So that can be an evened up goal, evened up play for a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minute 13 remaining on the Swarm penalty. And the Blues are able to break it free. They come down with it here. 4-on-4 match right now. As Mace fights for it against the board, but it's going to probably go back. Hayes is able to stop him and gets it to Gray. Gray, gets it back to Hayes. Hayes swings it around. Going to take it off the boards a little bit here. Good check into 37 Murphy there. And Lippincott breaks it free to Gray. Gray, just loses it. Swarm are going to bring it around the backside of the net. Gets the boards. Beal gets on it. Beal tries to send it forward to Lippincott. Lippincott is going to have to chase after it back towards Beal. Beal gets it. He's going to have to send it. Needs to send it across. He gets it to Lippincott. Lippincott gets it over to Gray, but Gray just stopped by the goalie there. And it's free and clear towards the center with Beal and number 4, Turner, sending it across to Murphy. Murphy passes. Right. Turner passes to Murphy. Murphy takes a shot. It's caught by Turner. Oh, boy. Still 2-3. 1 minute, 24 seconds remaining. 13 seconds on the Swarm's penalty. 1 minute remaining on the Blizzard penalty. Waiting on number 5, Beal, to get off the ice here. Nope. Too many. Ooh. There we go. Okay. The boys are ready. The Blizzard break it free to, looks like Hayes gets it. Hayes sending it to Lippincott. We've got turned around wrong second there. 20, McClellan's coming in. 4 seconds left on that penalty. And tempted shot. Not sure who blocked it there, but it's free to McCaffrey. McCaffrey gets it right into Turner's lap. Who, Rambo is number 13, back on the ice. Going to be a power play for the Swarm. 43 seconds remaining. Let's go, Blizzard. Mace Gray trying to get on the puck there. 71 Corte taking it. Round behind the net. He's going to send it high off the board over to Hayes. Hayes is going to break it free. Ooh, the Swarm get back on it. It's clear to the right side. Hayes, Corte going after it. 49 seconds remaining. Hard hit into the boards there. Ooh. Oh, looks like both Lippincott and number 13 Rambo may have taken a hard hit. They may have played pretty hard. Boys need to back up there. 45 seconds left in the clock. All right, looks like Rambo is getting back up. So that's Corte. Corte was one to hit the board there. Getting up a little slow.
Got it bad.
Yeah, Corte took a hard hit there. Looks like he's going to come off the ice for a minute. .21 seconds remaining on that penalty for the Blizzard. Corte's going to take a little breather, and you get one more boy back on the ice. And we're going to bring Jenkins out. 21 Hayes taking center for Corte. And the puck goes back to Jenkins. Jenkins gets it to Hayes. Hayes just might as well ice it for the last little bit here. Hayes sends it hard over to the side. 10 seconds left on the penalty. And Jenkins actually stopping the forward momentum there. Taking on a bit of a center roll. And it's hard to keep track of what's going on at the moment. But Hayes gets a hold of it. No more penalty. Hayford's ready for him. And he's going to ride along beside him. Hayes is coming down. Takes the shot. It's blocked. 8 seconds left. Lippincott trying to set up. Can't quite get it in there. But the Swarm send it back over to the side. No time left as that's done. That is a 3-2 win. Win by 1 against the Swarm. Oh, that was good. The boys, very excited about that win. Totally erases what they had to go through with that last loss last week. But that was a hard-fought game by both teams. Really well done. Very aggressive. And we'll be seeing you guys tomorrow.